In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file jointly on Turbotax. If you're updating your filing status and want to make sure your return reflects that you and your spouse plan to file together, Turbotax makes that process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to select, so you can switch your status to married filing jointly with confidence. To begin, sign into Turbotax and look for the My Info section. This is where Turbotax stores your personal details and filing status information, so it's the right place to start if you need to make changes related to your household or marital situation. Go ahead and click on My Info. Once you're on the Your Info page, look for the option labeled Revisit. This lets you go back into the section and review or edit the details you previously entered. Click Revisit to open that area and continue updating your information. After that, you may see a screen that summarizes your current details or takes you into the personal information flow. When you're ready to move forward, click Continue. This tells Turbotax you want to proceed through the setup and make any needed updates to your filing status. On the next part of the process, choose Married as your marital status. This is an important selection because Turbotax uses it to determine which filing options are available to you. Make sure you select the option that matches your status for the tax year you're filing. Next, look for the choice that says Plan to file jointly and select it. This tells Turbotax that you and your spouse intend to submit one joint tax return instead of filing separately. Filing jointly can affect your tax calculations, eligibility for certain credits, and the way your return is prepared, so it's important to choose the correct option here. Once that's selected, click Continue again. That saves your choice and moves you forward in the return. At this point, Turbotax will use the updated filing status as you continue through the rest of your tax return. As a helpful tip, after making this change, take a moment to review the rest of the personal information section carefully. That way, you can confirm everything is accurate before moving on to income, deductions, and credits. And that's how to file jointly on Turbotax. If you follow these steps in the My Info section, you can quickly update your marital filing choice and continue preparing your return correctly.